The Ishida WM-MICRO from Ishida, Canada is an automated wrapping machine with an integrated scale and printer. It's smaller than a standard hand wrap station and can be easily installed in the smallest production rooms. The WM-MICRO is designed to wrap a wide range of trays from a small 17S up to a 25 tray. The high-quality wrapping minimizes wrinkles and reduces waste. The WM-MICRO can even weigh and print a label for pre-packaged, oversized products. A large 12.1-inch operator display is easy to read and features a responsive interface powered by a Linux OS to support intuitive operation. The WM-MICRO's PC-based system enables TrueType font printing for eye-catching labels. To reduce label roll replacements, the WM-MICRO can support a label roll diameter of 125 mm with a customizable label length for maximum cost savings. Film and label rolls can be quickly and easily replaced. The WM-MICRO is designed to minimize downtime and increase runtime. A second version of the WM-MICRO provides linerless label printing, providing more labels per roll and reducing the frequency of roll replacement. The linerless label model automatically cuts labels to fit your print size requirements. Learn more about the Ishida WM-MICRO semi-automatic wrapper from Ishida, Canada at ishidacanada.ca.